Show you what this girl's doing over there, because she's just the cutest little peanut. Oh, she says, don't you take my stick. Get out of here, I don't want you to take my stick. Fine, you got two of them, Randy. Here so you can watch Romeo. See how stiff his tail is? We're going to watch the way he interacts. If he's stiff, I'm going to give him a correction. If he's okay, then I'm not. Nice, that's all good. What'd you get here, Randy? Randy. Oh, and I got that on camera, I think.
Think
That was
I
a
did
pretty
too?
good collision. Now watch what you're doing, guys. Oh, I missed it. They were just loving on each other. These two are all day though, like seriously, all day. They're a non-stop kind of thing. It doesn't matter how long we're out here for. Whiskey's like, I already came out and ran this morning, man. I'm a little tired from... They're quick. Right there. I've got a bromance over here in the back. Whiskey and... Look at that little Gracie leading the pack. Shh. So no jumping. That's why Romeo got a correction. He doesn't get to put his body on top of the other dogs. He's a pretty girl you are. Hi, hi. Yep, hi. Oh, hi. Yep, you're a pretty girl too, Gracie. Yes, you are. Yeah, you're a pretty girl, Pandora. Yes, you are. It's nice to meet you, pretty girl. She's so pretty. Oh, yes, pretty girl. Look at her. She's such a pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah, she's so pretty. No, down. Down. Yeah, Mom says you gotta work on jumping, so we'll work on your jumping. I totally got that. I got that. Yes, you're a bunny. A little deer you are. She is quick, let me tell you.